From online shops to in-store purchases, I want to educate the youth by becoming young entrepreneurs by reselling products that increase income by reselling shoes or streetwear. From beginners to advanced reselling methods, I show you ways to make money from the comfort of your chair to early morning grinding sessions. Join me into living a reseller lifestyle. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the AIO V2 version since I've been getting a lot of requests about it. So I decided to show you guys a tutorial on how to use it, using it for this week for the Yeezy Black V2s. So if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Again, thank you so much for letting me hit 600 subscribers. That is a big milestone to me. The next thing that I want to do is try to hit 1,000. Anyways, guys, let's get straight into the video. If you guys don't know what AIO bot is, it pretty much is a simple bot. It's a starter bot. The cost is $325, then after taxes is like $340. But I think if you use a discount code that they have right there, 10 off, you get 10% off. And I think it's like $300 or something like that. This bot I do recommend you guys using if you guys are new to the whole sneaker game when it comes to botting something on a website. It does have a lot of several bots or several websites to use for the bot, and it does work best for the Shopify stuff. I'm going to be showing you guys, like I said, for the Black V2s coming out this Thursday and Friday for the non-reflective and reflective Black Yeezy V2s. And you guys want, go to SellSneakerz.com. You guys have two shoes. You have the, like I said, the reflective ones, which will be releasing on the 6th, which is on a Thursday. Then you also have the non-reflective ones, which are going to be coming out this Friday. And you have the little list right here for Adidas, Kicks USA, JD Sports, Finish Line, Foot Locker, Foot Action, and etc. So this is the bot that I'm going to be using for this week, especially NSB, if you guys know what that is. And yeah, so obviously YeezySupply.com is going to be having them. They're actually going to have the Vanto, which are coming in June 6th. You can use the same method. All you really got to do is go into your bot, go to Shopify, and then I'll pretty much just show you guys how to do it. But as of right now, like I said, Yeezy Supply is one of them that I'm going to be going for, and that's where I usually get most of my W's, and as well as Adidas. So let's hop right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is obviously open up AIO V2. You want to make sure that you have a updated version. Always make sure that your bot is always updated. It's probably going to have to be updated on the day of the release, so make sure you guys do that. Next thing you want to do, guys, is go onto your building page. I do have my information here that I'm going to be blurring out. To pretty much just add a new one, just go to add new. And then you have your first name, last name, address, and etc. You want to make sure that this billing address and your card information and your shipping information are all correct. Double check it before you do anything, and then click save. So once it is saved, you're going to have a little list right here. I have two of my credit cards right here already, as you can see. And yeah, so it goes for that. Regards to proxies, guys, I do use cookie proxies. They either have data center ones or regular ones. I use the regular ones since I'm not using a server. So this is where I will put my stuff. If you guys need help, just go to add new and go ahead and click on the ones that you want. You can either do the monitor proxies or the normal proxies. You could really change it up by clicking this little slide down button. And then you do want to make sure that once you have your proxies inside of here, you want to hit is enabled, and then you can click on the websites that you want to use it for. Just for safety precautions, I like to use all sites just in case something might pop up on my monitor and I can just already eat it up. Then once that's done, you want to go ahead and click save that, and then you'll have your proxies right here. Now the harvester is a little bit different. I haven't really gotten used to the whole AIO V2 version of the harvester, and I haven't really got to it. But like I said, yeah, so I'm going to be kind of messing around with that. I don't understand that rule just yet. I think you can, oh, okay. So this actually gives you an opportunity to put in your 2-capture key to enable it, and then put your key inside of here, or your anti-capture key, whatever it might be. So that's actually nice to know. Then put save. Then you go, here is a list where you'll be getting your cop stuff. Obviously I'll try going for the other Yeezy that came out recently. It was the glows. I did have a size 10 in my cart. Unfortunately, I did not go ahead and actually do the capture thing, so I was not able to check out. But when you start the test, guys, make sure you guys go here. Let's see this. Okay, so I actually have a monitor page now, which I didn't even know they even had. So you can actually copy it, link it, and then your mass created. So it really depends. Then put save keywords obviously down here, and the websites. But I'm not going to be using that. Let's see. So you actually want to click on add new, and then you want to click on the website that you want. For this purpose, I want to be using obviously a Shopify one, Yeezy Supply. Let's see, there it is. They're not really gonna have an early link. But yeah, so we have that keyword you would use. Let's see, Yeezy Boost V2, Yeezy Boost 700 V2 Vanta. If you want to go for that one, or Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Black. I do know if you want to have the kids ones or the infants, you do have to put negative keywords. So just put kids or infants if you don't want those, just the regular ones. Or if you do, then just go ahead and just leave it how it is, and it'll probably pick up anything. Here, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it real quick. So Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Okay, keyword Yeezy Boost 350 V2, and then black. Whoops. Size, you always want to make sure you pick a size. I'm a size 8.5, so I'll be clicking 8.5. Like I said, negative keywords would be if you don't want the kid size or infants, you just put infants or kids, and then that would make sure that they don't catch any of those keywords into the whole bot. You do want to select the billing. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one. 2K. Shipping rate doesn't really matter. Use browser check cart. If you want to use a browser, you can do that. I don't really recommend that, but if you want to, you can go ahead just for safety precautions, and then click save. So I should have it on here. So now I have two tests right here. I use the keywords Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Black. It could change. Like I said last time. Whoops. Last time for the glows, they had that kind of pop drop, whatever. But it shows here that you can have it. So yeah. But this is pretty much how you set up when it comes to using Yeezy Supply, and then everything else is pretty much easy. If you want to use for Adidas, all you gotta do is click on this style code, copy it, and once you go back onto this, I don't know why it's doing that. 1 second. Okay, there you go. Sorry. Add new Adidas. If you're select your region, I'm from the US. PID is the same thing. Paste that PID inside there, select your size, no billing selected, put your billing information that you clicked, the number of tests that you want. I'll do 3, size 9, and then click save. Now once it starts running, go ahead and click on these the triangle, the green, it will start it up. Then you also want to go ahead and open the captchas before you actually start these. You want to open up the captcha so you can already have 1 clicks. Then it'll be processing. It will say added on here if you get lucky on there, and then it will say checked out. So make sure you guys use several different email addresses as well as credit cards. If you guys are new to this, you can also use privacy.com, which pretty much creates virtual credit cards for you. So that is the best advice I can give you in regards to using the AIO bot and stuff like that. If this video helped you out, make sure you guys drop a comment down on the comment section below. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, you can always reach me at my email, or like I said, just go ahead and drop it down in the comment section. Alright guys, I'll show you guys another tutorial soon. Hopefully I'll probably be doing a review on the new Supreme dropping this week. I heard there's going to be a drum set coming out, so I'm actually really excited. It is going to be $4,000, but the profit margins is between $6,000 to $7,000 in profit. So if you have the money, you're lucky to get it. That's definitely already a come up. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.